Hey everybody, how you doing? My name is Rashad, you're watching Inline 5, and today we'll actually be doing three things. As you guys can see, the R is up on some lifts, so I will be actually installing a custom, not really custom, but a front bumper lip that I bought off of Amazon. Um, I'll be doing an oil change. Let's get to it. So as you guys can see, this is the front bumper lip that I'll be installing a little bit later. And yeah, I just ended up doing some measurements. I ended up um, measuring the center points, measuring its how much it'll stick out. So you see some marks there, because I only want to come out so much, not too far, because the driveway here is very steep. I'll probably be rubbing it anyway, but I want to give myself the least amount of trouble as possible. And yeah, we'll see what else we got to do to get this thing to fit up very nicely.
Holy shit!
Alright, so I decided to do the oil change first before doing the bumper or anything else. So right now I just took out the oil filter and obviously the drain plug, and it's pretty much almost done. It's just doing slow drips right now, but may as well just get everything out as much as we can. Hey guys, so for oil filter, I usually use the Man filter HU819X. It's usually very durable, very good in terms of filtration, and it's usually affordable. You know, it's a good brand. A lot of guys use it. As for oil, I use Castrol Edge 0W40. I use it year round because Volvo says you could use this year round in my temperatures. I'm in New York City. This oil to me has been the best so far. Otherwise, I've used Mobil, and with Mobil, it seems to have burned off pretty quickly. I don't remember if I used this weight or if it's a different weight, but either way, the Mobil brand just used to burn off quickly for me. So every car seems to be kind of different. People have different experiences. Which filter do you guys use, and which brand of oil do you guys use? Leave a comment below. I'd actually like to know which brand you guys use and why. And how's your experience been with the Man filter or with Castrol Edge if you've used these products? So I ended up going ahead and finishing the oil change instead. So all of that is good. All is oil and everything's back inside the car. So now I'm going to get some help with my brother and try to fit up this front lip. And I guess we're going to use some of the jack stands to help, you know, prop it up close to the bumper and things like that. So I'm just going to let the camera sit by and just record the process for the most part. We won't do too much talking. You just see us, you know, going through test fitting it up, and hopefully you'll see an end result from that. So they ended up giving us about 12 screws and some directions to, you know, to use while fitting up the front lip. The directions are pretty much useless. It talks about for things that are more of a direct fit, like, you know, a kit directly for a car. In this case, it's just a matter of lining it up as best as you can and screwing it up. They gave us 12. Should be good enough, and we'll see. So just check it out. Alright, so it's a brand new day. Last night we ran out of daylight. Last night we were able to fully screw it into the bumper and secure it. So as you can see, still have the tape on, everything on. We do have it protruding out of the, from the fender a little bit. So I just put some masking tape on the fender, and I'm going to saw off the excess with this handsaw here. And the masking tape is just to protect the paint on the inside of the fender. Not that it matters so much, but you don't want to do any more damage than is necessary on the car. And from after that, we should be good to go.